baby.
How's it going?
It's going fine. It's just cold. Real cold.
How cold is it?
16 degrees.
With a wind chill of...
2.
No, minus 20.
Minus 20 now?
Uh-huh.
Oh, God.
But this is December 28th, and this is the day after we had howling winds and pouring snow all day and into the night. And Ken had shoveled 3 times yesterday, hadn't you?
Uh-huh.
And we came out this morning, and we had probably a couple more inches, and that's it. I'll just have you look around the house while Ken's working. You can see our snowman that's kind of covered in snow. Okay, hang on.
Hey.
Hey Ken, you're doing a good
doing,
job.
baby?
I'm doing great.
Sat in the house all day.
We did. We sat and did
Did
nothing
math.
all day yesterday. Hey, well, you shoveled?
I shoveled yesterday.
Yeah. We're gonna go look at the big wall beside the barn. Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too, baby. And look at Buddha. Buddha has one arm out and that's it. Look at this good path that he shoveled though. I'm kind of impressed. A little jealous of his mad shoveling skills. So we got a plower to come. Not a shoveler, a plower with a big old plow. And he shoveled the drive. And you can tell that my driveway has been shoveled. But look, there's my poor little car. Look at the wall. Do you see how mammoth it is? Door, wall, door. Oh God, there's the wind. My little car that we're going to have to get shoveled out, I guess. Because we're getting out of the house today. We were in all day yesterday. See how deep it is? But look how beautiful it is. That's my driveway. Okay. Trees, barn. I put these stakes, can you see those stakes right there, those orange ones? Put those stakes in the ground because I've got these 2 great, beautiful pieces of rock that you could put planters on in the spring. But they're just high enough that they get hidden by the snow, and then perhaps you come home late one night and you're trying to keep your balance and you don't, and you hit one of those rocks and you fall on your face. And that happened so many times to me last year that I have now put those orange rods. Okay, we're going to walk around the house and see how crazy pretty it is. And how crazy much snow we got. Look up at the top. Isn't it pretty? Okay, we'll go over to my Wonderland party area beside the house. And Aaron, this is for you if you're looking at this. Look at our furniture. Can't even see it. I know. Look at my tree. My prayer flags are under there somewhere. Look how deep it is. Crazy, huh? Yeah. Whoa, that's the wind blowing! It's so cold! My garage, my basement. Luckily, I don't have to get in there. There's my Coastal Energy. Do you see it right over there in the corner? It's my propane tank that's covered in snow. Luckily, they already filled it up. And then here's going into my front yard, but it is so deep, I can hardly walk in it with my short little legs. You see where I went through it and it's up to my knees. But look how beautiful it is. Blue and white, blue and white. Here's my house. The front of it, we'll try walking it. Yeah. Slow going. Whoa! Oop, oop, she went down. Hang on. Oh, okay, she's back up. Okay. No problem, camera. Did not get wet. It's not survival of the fittest, except I'm in my own front yard. Okay. here we go. Look. And somewhere right beside that door, we have about 6 containers of orange juice that wouldn't fit in the fridge, so we decided to put it outside. And now it's buried under feet of snow. Maybe sometime next spring, we'll find our 6 liters of orange juice. Who knows? Maybe we'll have to dig for it. Maybe that'll be an activity each morning. Who's going to dig for the orange juice? I don't know. Okay, so here's the street. Let's go to the street and I'll let you see. They do a good job of plowing. Okay, there's going up my street, see? And down my street, not bad. Not bad, look at the trees. Just look at that. Revel in it for a minute. It's my crazy neighbor's house down there. Okay, we're going back around my house. Okay, here we go. Side of my house. That's my kitchen window. That I was going to try to get the snow. See the snow on top of it? Except it's not snow. It's pure ice. Yeah. Let's see if we can see into my kitchen. Can you? You can. Look at that. See, there's my boot I have in my window. Look how cheery it is in there. Isn't that awesome? Here's my little board, my Buddha board that Jill gave me. Pretty poinsettia plant. Okay, and the voyeurism into my own house. Okay. I love this tree on the side of my yard though. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see where Ken is. He is already to the barn, I bet. We're going to get out and go to Ellsworth today and get some food. Yeah, like we don't have enough orange juice, right? We have to hide it in the snow. Damn, look at my legs though. Covered. That's how deep it was in the front yard. Yeah. There we go. Okay. Maneuver. Whoa! Look at that. Ah, sweet pathway. So Ken's now doing the car. And you know what we're going to have to do next. We're going to have to shovel out my damn mailbox. I hadn't had mail in about a week and a half. I don't know. They take breaks. The government's closed. The mother dies. I don't know. You name it. He's getting the car out though. He's a great help. Yeah. Alright. We also got to get into there because that's where we put our trash. Not bad though, right? Not bad. Alright. Hope you enjoy the tour. Bye.
Hey, baby.
Hey, baby.
Car has to get out of here.
Yeah, car's got to get out. You're doing a great job, though. God, it's cold. I'm going in. Bye.